Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we explore the best alternatives to overpriced tech. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A52, a mid-range smartphone that continues to surprise with premium-like features at a budget-friendly price. The latest Galaxy A52 brings a refined experience with a sleek design and some solid hardware updates. The exterior looks more polished than ever, featuring a matte finish back that feels smooth yet grippy. The camera module has been streamlined to match Samsung's newer design language, giving it a premium feel without going overboard. The display is a vibrant AMOLED panel with slim bezels, offering great visuals for streaming, gaming, and daily tasks. Under the hood, Samsung has equipped the A52 with a powerful mid-tier processor that handles multitasking and everyday performance with ease. Whether you're switching between apps or playing mid-range games, the performance holds up well. You also get improved battery optimization, easily lasting through a full day of use on a single charge. Fast charging support makes sure you're not stuck waiting when you need a quick boost. Camera performance is another strong point. The main sensor captures sharp and detailed shots, especially in good lighting. Samsung has also made software improvements for low-light photography, giving you clearer and more colorful shots at night. The ultra-wide and macro lenses are fun to use, even if they aren't flagship quality. The front-facing camera does a decent job for selfies and video calls, enhanced by subtle beauty features. The software experience is smooth, running the latest One UI based on Android. It's clean, intuitive, and customizable, letting you tweak the interface the way you like. Samsung also includes useful extras like secure folders, gesture controls, and decent update support, making the overall package feel complete. Now let's talk about the value. The Galaxy A52 stands out in the mid-range market for blending style, performance, and reliable features without inflating the price. It doesn't try to be a flagship, and that's a good thing. It knows its role and delivers consistently where it matters most: display, battery, camera, and user experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable smartphone that doesn't cost a fortune but still feels like a step up from entry-level options, the 2025 Galaxy A52 is definitely worth considering. It might not be perfect, but it nails the essentials. And for many users, that's more than enough. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. If you're tired of paying more just for the name, stick with us for more real reviews on smart alternatives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what phone you want us to cover next.